the Braun Series 9 razor.
This can be used in the shower, out of the shower, wet and dry, pretty much wherever you want.
It cleans really, really well. It feels really good on your face, and it's always charged because it's in the dock.
It looks very premium and it feels great in the hand.
It looks great. Likewise with the charging dock and cleaning station.
It fits right in with my granite countertops. This thing just looks like it belongs.
I certainly wouldn't hesitate for even a second to put the Series 9 on display in my bathroom.
The automatic cleaner does a great job.
It's easy just to grab and you're good to go.
We have a multi-head lock with 5 adjustable angles for precise shaves.
It really contorts to the face when you're shaving.
The blade consists of 4 independent elements: a hyper lift and cut trimmer, a direct cut trimmer, and it is enclosed by 2 Optifoil enclosures.
I experienced no itching or skin irritation.
If this element doesn't get the hair, this one will. And if this one doesn't, this one will. If this one doesn't, this will. So you have 4 chances to shave a hair on your face.
This actually does a closer job of shaving than using like a razor and even oil.
You have an LED display with hygiene and travel lock indicator.
It was a smooth, very clean shave.
I can go the whole day and it looks just like I did when I shaved in the morning.
This thing is going to give you an excellent cut no matter what your face type is.
If you're looking for the best shaver for an on-the-go active lifestyle, check out Wahl's LifeProof Shaver. Whether you're at the gym, in the car, or simply enjoying the outdoors, this shaver has got you covered. With an ergonomic no-slip rubber grip and a protective shock-proof housing, this shaver is virtually indestructible and waterproof up to 3 feet. It has a split foil pattern to optimize hair feeding and flexible foils that move with you for a more comfortable shave. It also has a long hair cutter bar to easily remove longer facial hairs for those who like to go a few days between shaves, and a pop-up precision trimmer that delivers a superior cutting performance while lining up sideburns and trimming facial hair. To protect your foil heads from damage, this kit includes a durable foil guard. This shaver also contains Wahl's lithium-ion technology, allowing a 90-minute runtime with an hour charge, a 1-minute quick charge for 1 full shave, and an LED charging indicator that lets you know the unit is accepting a charge. Pick up your LifeProof shaver today and join the millions of satisfied Wahl customers.
Usually my biggest problems are my jawline and my neck, and with this shaver, the foils flex and tilt with my face. It makes for a lot closer, comfortable shave.
Wahl, the brand used by professionals since 1919.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah, we are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
Remington introduces Verso, a complete solution for your personal grooming routine. Verso looks different because it is different. The ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, and the versatile base works with a range of attachments for complete facial care. So what can Verso do for you? Comfortably yet effectively cleanse. The unique charcoal brush washes away sweat, dirt, and oils. The pre-shave brush lifts hair to prep for a close, comfortable shave and helps prevent ingrown hairs. Trim and perfect all the fine details to achieve your personal style. The rotary shaver follows the contours of your face for close, smooth, and even results. It has a versatile base with a pop-up trimmer for precision detailing. Bring power and versatility to your grooming routine with Verso. From Remington.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.